Hey crafters, welcome to another episode of Craft Hits, and on today's episode we're going to be sculpting Snoopy from Peanuts in more of a Thanksgiving theme, because obviously this is going to go up either on Thanksgiving or around Thanksgiving. That's my plan here. But I do hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this in mostly time-lapse. I think that's probably a little bit of a better format for now, but I do hope that you guys enjoy, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so Snoopy is fully finished, and this actually turned out pretty good, I would say. I like how this looks, and I hope you guys like it too. I don't see any major flaws with it. I mean, there are a few things that I probably could have done a little bit better, but I think I like it, and it's going to make for a good design. The only thing is, obviously, this is going to be uploaded after the end of November. I just finished it a couple of days ago, so I didn't get a chance to upload it all in November, but you'll see this at the start of December, so it doesn't really necessarily fit in with the Christmas season or any other season, but I like it, and I wanted to post it, and I didn't want to wait until next year. But I do hope that you guys have enjoyed this episode, and if you have, please do hit that like button and subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and it really does help out with the algorithm. And if you also want to make your own projects just like this one, I have all of my supplies and stuff that I use in the description below, so please feel free to check that out. And also please feel free to let me know what other things you want to see me make in the future. I do have a really long list myself, but I can always try to make some time for other cool projects. But as always, hope you all have a wonderful day.